here we come to the elevator at the U of A Tech Park in Tucson, Arizona. This is
There's two of them.
This is two Dover Impulses, and it's got two of them on both sides.
That one's coming.
Yep, it's gonna be this one, I think. Yep. Yeah, it's two Dover Impulses, but here it is.
I don't know if the Dover or Thyssenkrupp.
These could be Thyssenkrupp, but they're Impulse. We're about to find out. Bell does not work. Lantern does not work. Get our cab view. This looks like a newer Impulse.
It's Thyssenkrupp.
Yep, it's a Thyssenkrupp. So this is early 2000s.
You can even see by the fixtures.
Yep, and it's got the ADA phone.
It's got an up arrow, which the Dovers would not have.
Yeah. And do we have a fake LED, but we have an arrow, which is newer. This is all newer stuff. I didn't think this would be that, all right, let's ring the bell. That's on the outside if it's gonna. Yeah, it's a Thyssenkrupp chime, and someone else is using the other car. Let's go on to 1. Capacity 3,000 pounds. I think we'll ride both cars.
Yeah, once we send this one up.
We'll send this one up after this one. This one's really nice, though. It's got the ADA phone, which I've never seen in person before. I've only saw on the Dover Impulse. We don't have that very many in Tucson.
Not too many newer ones.
Yeah. This is a nice one, though. This is a Thyssenkrupp Impulse.
Yeah.
This is like 2005, around there.
Yeah. I just didn't know if it was a Dover or a rebatch one,
Lantern
but
does not work. Oh, that's an epic motor.
the other car.
Yeah.
Right, well, here the motor is. This one starts.
Yeah. This is awesome. These are Thyssenkrupp Impulses. These are awesome. I think these are newer Impulses. Yep, this is an Impulse. This is Thyssenkrupp. And we got our... Here it is. Awesome sounding chime. Yeah. No lantern on this one. This one's bigger. This is awesome. These are Thyssenkrupp Impulses. Let's go up to 3.
Capacity 4,500.
Yeah, this is bigger. Indicator does not seem to be working.
Maybe the first one is burned out. It's a good motor, but you can't hear it.
You can hear it.
It's just not as loud as I was thinking it would be.
This is an awesome motor. We'll take this on 2 rides and we'll be quiet. This is a capacity 4,500 pounds. This was inspected 2024. We'll ring the bell.
Oh, there's a station right here.
Yep. Door closed. Door closed when you push the button. Indicator does work. It's really faint though. Let's get our cab view on the inside. Very nice Thyssenkrupp Impulse. Installed in the early 2000s. Runs pretty well, just like the other car, just a little bit bigger. ADA compliant phone. There's the speaker. And there's an outlet. Here we are on 1. Here we are on 1, and we'll go up to 3. Yeah, here we go up to 3. This is really nice.
Quiet.
Here we are on 3. This is awesome. I really like these Thyssenkrupps. Let's get a view up the shaft before we go. You can actually see out the shaft. Jordan, look. You can actually see out on the roof.
Whoa, look at that.
Yeah.
That's neat.
Thyssenkrupp door equipment. We're down to one. Very nice. You cannot see those. Oh, wait. All right, here we are on one. Button will go out. Yep, these are definitely newer. Anyways, we'll get one last look here. And here it goes. And that's going to be it here in just a sec.